Anybody need a drink?
Looks
My daughter saw this idea on the interweb. She said, okay, you can make that. That would be kind of cool. So, of course, I did. I had a piece of live edge ash. And the first one I made, I took all this painstaking time to cut out mortises and on the tops and the bottom, put the whole thing together. And the mortises weren't tight, so I thought, well, I'll just fill them in with some decorative epoxy. They weren't tight, and it ran all over the place, all down and pooled on the lower piece, and it was just a mess. So I redid it and used dowels.
Are they tight?
They're glued with wood glue.
Thanks, Rob.